Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Moringa hair growth oil. First, let's understand why this natural remedy is so beneficial for your hair and scalp health. Moringa oil is packed with nutrients that can truly transform your hair. It works to strengthen each hair follicle, promoting a healthier scalp and encouraging robust growth. Plus, it leaves your hair with a beautiful, natural shine and helps reduce breakage, making it feel softer and more resilient. Now let's gather everything you'll need for this simple recipe. You'll want 1/4 cup of high-quality Moringa powder, which is the star ingredient. For your base, grab 1 cup of a good carrier oil, such as olive oil or almond oil. Make sure you have a clean glass jar with a tight-fitting lid and a fine mesh strainer ready. For an extra boost and pleasant scent, consider adding 5 drops of your favorite essential oil, like rosemary or lavender. Making your Moringa hair growth oil is incredibly easy. Begin by combining the 1/4 cup of Moringa powder with the 1 cup of carrier oil directly into your clean glass jar. Once both ingredients are in, seal the jar tightly with its lid and give it a good shake to ensure everything is thoroughly mixed. Now, place the jar in a cool, dark spot like a pantry and let it infuse for 2 weeks. Remember to shake it gently every few days. After 2 weeks, use the fine mesh strainer to separate the oil from the powder. Using your homemade Moringa hair oil is simple and effective. Just massage a small amount directly into your scalp, working it through to the ends of your hair. For best results, apply this treatment 2 to 3 times per week. You can leave it on for a few hours or even overnight before washing. For storage, keep your oil in a cool, dark place, and it should remain potent for up to 6 months. Remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals that you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.